Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of intermittent fasting, a popular health trend that's been gaining serious traction. But is it just a fad, or is real science backing it up? In this video, we'll explore the science behind intermittent fasting, uncovering its potential benefits and helping you decide if it's the right fit. I'm your host, and I've been curious about intermittent fasting for a while now. So, let's break down the basics. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern, not a specific diet. It cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional calorie restriction, it focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. There are different approaches to intermittent fasting, but some of the most common ones include the 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating window to 8 hours each day. A popular approach is to skip breakfast and eat your meals within an 8-hour window between midday and 8 p.m. This can be convenient for those who find mornings busy and prefer to condense their eating to later in the day. However, the beauty of 16:8 intermittent fasting is its flexibility. You can choose any 8-hour window that suits your schedule, whether it's an early lunch to early dinner window or a late morning brunch to evening snacking pattern. The 5:2 diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. This style of eating, also known as the 5:2 diet, is attractive to those who dislike feeling overly restricted but still want to experience the potential benefits of calorie restriction. Unlike some diets that require constant monitoring, the 5:2 diet allows for flexibility during the week, making it easier to stick to in the long term. The science behind intermittent fasting. So, how does intermittent fasting work its magic? When you eat, your body enters a fed state, where insulin levels rise to store excess glucose, sugar, from food as glycogen in your liver and muscles. But during a fasted state, insulin levels drop significantly, and your body starts searching for alternative fuel sources. This is where things get interesting. Your body taps into stored glycogen for immediate energy, but once those reserves are depleted, it switches to burning fat for fuel. This metabolic shift, called ketosis, can lead to weight loss and potentially offer other health benefits. Cellular cleanup, autophagy. During a fasted state, your body kicks into a cellular cleanup process called autophagy. Imagine it as taking out the trash. Autophagy helps remove damaged cells and dysfunctional proteins that can build up inside cells over time. These damaged components can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of chronic diseases. By cleaning house, autophagy promotes cellular health and may even reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and cancer. This process is thought to be one of the reasons why intermittent fasting is linked to various health benefits. Metabolic switch. After a prolonged fasted state, your body starts using stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch is like flipping a fuel source toggle. Normally, your body prefers readily available glucose from food for energy. But during a fast, when glucose stores dwindle, your body taps into emergency reserves, triglycerides stored in fat cells. This breakdown of fat for fuel, called lipolysis, can lead to weight loss. The longer the fasting window, the more your body relies on fat for energy, potentially leading to a reduction in overall body fat and contributing to weight loss goals. Hormonal regulation. Intermittent fasting may positively impact hormones like insulin, leptin, and human growth hormone, HGH, playing a potential role in weight management, blood sugar control, and even cell regeneration. Insulin, typically elevated after meals, drops during fasted states, potentially promoting fat burning and improved blood sugar control. Leptin, known as the satiety hormone, may increase during fasting windows, leading to feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake. Human growth hormone, HGH, which can decline with age, may see a rise during fasting periods, potentially contributing to muscle growth and repair. This hormonal interplay triggered by intermittent fasting may hold the key to its various health benefits. The research on intermittent fasting is ongoing, but here are some potential benefits it may offer. Before we continue, let's hear a word from our sponsors about a product that can help you on your fitness journey. Here's how to lose fat in your belly, arms, back, thighs, and butt, wherever you want. Once you see how simple this is, you'll realize anyone can do it. The first bonus is my 3-day smoothie detox to jumpstart your weight loss. You'll also get all 36 of my delicious fat-shredding meal replacement smoothie recipes, plus my unconditional 60-day guarantee that ensures your complete satisfaction. Here's why this program is a great deal. 3-day detox. Get ready for the program and experience a quick weight loss win. This is a great tool if you ever want to lose a few extra pounds quickly or get back on track after a setback. Get everything you need in one convenient place to start seeing results fast. Check out this product. Link in the description. Weight loss and management. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can be as effective for weight loss as calorie restriction, offering an alternative approach for those who find counting calories tedious. The fasted state triggered by intermittent fasting may hold the key to its effectiveness. During this period, the body's metabolism shifts, potentially due to changes in hormone levels. Insulin, which typically promotes fat storage, dips during a fast, while glucagon, a hormone that encourages fat burning, may rise. This hormonal interplay, along with the depletion of glucose stores, may nudge the body to burn fat for fuel, leading to weight loss similar to what's achieved through calorie restriction. Improved blood sugar control. Intermittent fasting may improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar management, potentially benefiting those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation, a low-grade simmering of the immune system, is linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. Interestingly, some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may help reduce inflammation in the body. This could be due to several mechanisms. Fasting may lower levels of circulating inflammatory markers and reduce the activity of cells that promote inflammation. Additionally, the metabolic switch to burning fat for fuel during fasted states may itself have anti-inflammatory effects. While more research is needed, the potential of intermittent fasting to combat chronic inflammation is an exciting area of investigation. Enhanced brain health. Research suggests that intermittent fasting cycles, which involve alternating periods of eating and fasting, may hold the key to boosting brain power. This appears to trigger the growth of new brain cells, a process called neurogenesis. This increase in brain cell production is concentrated in the hippocampus, a region crucial for memory and learning. Studies suggest that this enhanced neurogenesis may translate to improved cognitive function, potentially sharpening memory, focus, and overall brain health. However, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of these cycles on the brain and determine the optimal protocols for maximizing these potential benefits. Cellular repair and longevity. The very act of fasting can trigger a cellular cleanup process known as autophagy. During autophagy, damaged cellular components and proteins are broken down and recycled, promoting overall cellular health. This enhanced cellular housekeeping might contribute to a slowdown in the aging process, although more research is needed to confirm this connection. Important considerations before trying intermittent fasting. While intermittent fasting offers promising benefits, it's crucial to consider these points before diving in. Not a magic bullet. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix. It requires commitment and consistency to see results. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues. If you feel excessively hungry or experience dizziness, it might not be the right approach for you. Consult your doctor. It's essential to consult your doctor before starting intermittent fasting, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Focus on whole foods. While intermittent fasting offers flexibility in your eating window, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods during your eating periods. Who should avoid intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting might not be suitable for everyone. Here are some groups who should avoid it. People with eating disorders. Intermittent fasting can potentially trigger unhealthy eating patterns in those struggling with eating disorders. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Nutritional needs are heightened during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Focus on a balanced diet that meets your and your baby's needs. People with certain medical conditions. If you have diabetes, hypoglycemia, or other health conditions, consult your doctor before. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. If you have any questions or experiences with intermittent fasting, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and happy,